So I got this new Frosty Frights kids meal from Wendy's. So anyway, let's review this here. Howdy food reviews here of Wendy's Frosty Frights hamburger kids meal. First, we're gonna see what toy I got. So you can collect the Franken Frosty Bite, Coolie Goolie, Burr Beast, Cold Spell, and Junior. So this is a mystery. You don't know what you're gonna get. This one is the Cool Goolie. That's pretty cool. Or Ghoul. That's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna collect all of them. This one is the only one I'm gonna collect, but pretty cool, I have to say. And there's a little book here as well. Or, yeah, a little, well, not book, but let's give this a picture. Or let's take a picture of this. Pretty cool, I have to say. Believe it or not, I don't actually think I've ever tried a Wendy's kids meal. Maybe when I was a little kid. Like, I'm 27 now. I just got this because it was the Frosty, a little Frosty dude. I wanted to just get one of them. Like I said, I'm not going to go back and get multiple of the Frosty toys. Anyway, let's try this hamburger here. I also got myself a Sprite. Strawberry, pineapple, and peach. That's what I put in this. Unfortunately, they don't have the aqua or the Aruba jam anymore. I guess it was only like a summertime or whatever. It's still summer, but I guess it was only like a very limited flavor. Anyway, let's got some fries here as well. Anyway, got some other food I'm going to review later on for supper. It's actually like my lunch / supper right now. I give this like a 5 out of 10. I mean, it's pretty cool, but the food kind of sucks, to be honest. It's not a lot of food. Not a big fan of their hamburgers. I like their Baconators. That's what I got. And Baconator fries. That's what I'm going to do a review of later, so stay tuned.